Hello, welcome back to Suffolk and Norfolk Fishing. It is 4:30 in the morning and let's hope the early bird catches the worm. It is flat calm in the river. I'm hoping it's going to be pretty calm out the front as well for the first couple of hours. I'm under no illusion that the wind will pick up and then it'll go wind over tide and then it's not going to be quite so nice. So I have made an early start to try and get a good couple of hours out there and see what I can turn up out the front. And then it might end up for the last couple of hours finishing the bait up in the river. But what a morning this is. Look at that. This is gorgeous. In bed this morning with the windows open. The bird song would not let me go back to sleep, so that was a result. Thank you very much, little birdies. Maybe it hasn't. It was just sat there. But it is on there now. That is another. Look at that for a fish. Again, those circuit hooks perfectly in the lip. And look at that. Look at that. That is prime bass. What a cracking fish that is. That is an absolute cracking fish. That is, which is coming just over 40 centimetres, 41 maybe. But look at that. What a morning. What a fish. That's hit it really hard to start off with, then just sat there and put him back. They're such hardy fish as well. Bang, straight down. Loving it. Trawler just going past in the background. I've had those last couple of fish just on rag, but now I've got a rag tipped with a bit of squid just to see what that throws up. Feels like a good fish. A humble dogfish, my old friend. Felt a bit better, it's just stopping itself in the tide there. That might be because I put the squid on there rather than just a pure rag. Pure rag! Some really tiny little knocks on this one. Another couple of seconds, then another one. Yeah, there's something there. Yeah. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's just come off. What was that? Oh. Oh, that's frustrating. This one's just taken off quite nicely. I think I might have caught my other line somehow. Dog. Dog in the tide. Quite a decent dog, that. Feed it on slightly, looking every, I don't know, centimetre or so. The more points you've got going through it, the more scent will be released, and obviously the better attached to the hook it is. And then just leave a little tail. I normally pop the head just over the eye of the hook just to keep that up. Only a small little bait, but any size bass will take that, and you've got the point of the hook exposed there. Well, first fish of at the new mark. What a beaut that is. Interesting, that was on rag and squid, and that had been soaking for probably, I must have been here 15 minutes. Then all of a sudden, bang, 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 bang. Straight away you know it's a bass. Such a beautiful fish. Look at that for a winner. They're getting quite close to being the ultimate predator, really. Massive mouth. That will swallow most things. Streamlined, just a ball of muscle. See how long this one is. That one goes 33, that one. Lovely, lovely, lovely fish. Not really sure what's happening here. That just bent over and took off. And that feels like a dead weight. It was like hooked into a bin bag or something. Hey, Skatey! A Mondington! My old friend. It's only a babby. But it's also got my other line. No way. It's taken both my lines. How on earth has that happened? It's taken both of my baits. That's unreal. So it hasn't tangled my line. What on earth has happened there? That is one hungry skate. Lovely. The eyes on it. Awesome fish. Can't believe that. Just had both baits in one mouth. That's weird. Never had that. That rod has absolutely just flown off there. What a cracker. Big old bite to start off with. Rod went dead. I thought, oh, it's nothing there, but it must have been swimming towards me. But look at that. They're just awesome, these fish. How long's that? That's a 40. Lovely.